Hello, everyone, and welcome to EDUA 581, our research and analysis class. I'm Will Nutterson. A majority of you, I'm pretty sure everybody on the list has had me in a class before, and I'm looking forward to working with you again. So I wanted to give you an overview for the week and give you some reflection on the course. So you'll see on the side over here that there's the Meet the Instructor with my contact information. Just that reminder, you're welcome to use my cell phone number, my email address, all that is there. I do have to use Concordia's email address, try to be on it. Our first announcement is not there, but that's typically where you'll start it. But where I want to take you to is week number 1. So let's talk about the focus of this week. Really is about introductory into the exploratory and reflective research that will be taking place during this course. There's been a shift in this course, changing it from what previously used to be, where the capstone experience was a team experience and brought 3 to 4 to work together. Now we've gone to a more individual approach because they've heard Concordia's heard back from students and the struggles with it. So we're going to talk a little bit through that process in week 1. So week 1, the learning outcomes are straightforward. We're looking at exercising professional reflection through the research and impact on school change for school improvement, identify and articulate research problems. That's going to be a big thing for us in the next couple of weeks, and then plan and design the process for a qualitative research. Lastly, the objective of plan and write a research proposal. Week 1 is not about writing it, but we're really going to be more talking about that idea of a research problem and researching. So the things that you will need to cover this week is to read. You're going to see that there are 3 different things. One of them is the capstone experience. It's a Concordia paper that you must read. It's your guide on what's expected when you complete 581 and 605. Let me be clear. It's the two classes together is your entire capstone. And then we have the text, the reflective practice guide, an interdisciplinary approach to critical reflection. That is the primary text that you'll be reading. And for this week, it'll be chapters 1, 2, and 4. And then we also have the Writing the Literature Review, a practical guide, reading chapters 1 and 2. So you'll see about what works Clearinghouse and then the discussion for the week. It is an introduction, sort of giving us your thoughts on what is key for your classroom or your purpose in your classroom. I do appreciate the pictures. If you wouldn't mind posting those along with your initial discussion post introducing. Just an update for some of you, it's been possibly a year. For some of you, it's been a little less than that. But if you would just give me an update of what you're teaching for this upcoming year, or if you've already started, what you are teaching for this year. Any family updates or summer vacation updates are always fun too. So this week does have an assignment due at the end of the week. So if you think about it, that is Sunday, August 25th. It's the library research review. Still stumble over my words every now and then. This is sort of instead of going on and waiting for a live video with a librarian, this is more of an experience that you'll do on your own individually. So it is worth 10 points and it is due by this Sunday. As always, devotions are a part of the Concordia's philosophy of who they are and want to make sure that Christ is centered in everything they do. So that is an optional piece. And then we do have a live session this week. So with the live session, we will be coming together on Wednesday night. I will be posting in the announcements a link to a sign up where, again, you're going to stick your name in one of the 2 boxes, either representing that you'll attend the 6 to 7:30 or the 7:30 to 9. My request, again, is if the colored boxes are full, that session is full and you do need to attend the other session. I look forward to seeing you all again, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. God bless everyone.